Namaste. And I am Anjali Anil Telang. So we are presenting here about the awareness of heart diseases. Many people don't know about the heart diseases. Actually, they think only heart failure or heart attack is the heart disease, but they actually don't know about coronary artery disease, heart wall disease, and this leads to the heart attack. There are many diseases which are related to the heart. We are explained here six, which are main and generally common in anyone. So first is coronary artery disease, second heart wall, then third one is the congenital heart, then heart muscle, heart failure, and arrhythmia. So first, what is coronary artery? Coronary artery that supply the oxygen and blood to the heart become narrows. In coronary artery, that arteries which supplies the blood to the oxygen become narrow because the deposit of cholesterol, fats and lipids. In the heart failure, heart does not have enough strength to pump. Means the heart of the any person is too weak because the some immunity power or some is by birth. So in the arrhythmia, abnormal heart rhythms, so we know that the heart rhythms, normal rhythms are 60 to 100 beats per minute, but in the arrhythmia, beats are become very slow or become very fast. Then in heart muscle, heart was become thick and heart become enlarged. They become very strong too, and heart is not working properly. So in the congenital heart, children may get this. Some children are by birth having the heart disorder. Some hole in the heart or some part of heart is not well developed, and some is missing in the heart. And last is heart wall. One or more wall of the heart are not working well. Now symptoms. The symptoms of the heart disease we can see in males. There are few symptoms. In women, more symptoms than the male. In male, nausea or vomiting generally we see. So jaw, neck and back pain generally occur in the heart disease. Then sneezing, chest pain or shortness of the breath. In female, indigestion, chest pain, not always but sometimes chest pain occurs. Then jaw, neck or upper back pain, nausea or vomiting, fatigue, shortness of breath, then pain or pressure in the chest and extreme fatigue. These are the symptoms which are we can see in the female. So first we have to learn about someone is suffering from the heart attack, then what we can do. There is a DRSABCD basic lifeline. In the D stand for danger. Check for danger, ensure the scene is safe. And then response, check for the response or ask names, squeeze the shoulders. Then send for the help, or you can call the 102 or 100 for emergency or ambulance number. Then airway, check the airway of the person, open mouth, look for the foreign material and maintain the airway. Then B, breathing, check for the breathing, the person is breathing properly or not. Look, listen and feel. Then CPR. Then CPR start 30 compressions and take 2 breaths. And unable to perform, if the person is unable to perform the chest compression, but only 100 times. Then defibrillation. Apply defibrillation ADE as soon as possible, or follow the wise commands. And defibrillation means the electric shocks given by the doctors. Now risk factor. What is the risk factor for the heart disease? Firstly is the lack of exercise. Then diet, improper diet is also risk factor for the heart failure. Then stress, high blood pressure or other part of the body damage is also the reason for causing the heart disease. Then family history, it is also genetically variable from one to another generation. Now smoking, diabetes, these all are the risk factor for the heart failure or heart disease. Then 5 ways to protect your heart rate. Then first is the get moving. You have to move yourself. The person which is suffer from the heart disorders, they have to move themselves or exercise for 150, or the normal person is have to exercise for the 75 minutes. Then second is manage health condition. Keep the health condition like your high blood pressure, maintain your blood pressure or the sugar level or your obesity. And then stop smoking. One out of every death of heart diseases are made by the smoking. If you are smoking, then your blood pressure become very high. After this, you stop smoking, in the just 5 minutes, your blood pressure get lost by the 20 mmHg. And second is watch your waistline. Maintain your weight. Obesity can also lead to the heart disorder. Then cut the eat properly food, or don't eat the junk food, like eat fruits, or healthy food. Now, what is the treatment for the heart disease? So, firstly, fibrinolysis, in which we take the medication. Now, bypass surgery. It is used to create a new path for blood to flow around the blocked or partially blocked part. And last one is the angioplasty. Angioplasty is also known as cardiac stent. Angioplasty is the procedure used to open block coronary arteries caused by the coronary diseases. Thank you.